You asked a question of why are we here then? And I think that first answer, however we answer it, by the way, there's no one answer or right answer. That answers of why we're here. So if I'm here to play and explore and expand and experience, and then a sense of sharing that I'm
Mm.
adding to this,
Hmm.
because, as I'm experiencing, experiences become available to everybody. And now
Yep.
science shows that. So that's how athletes break a sort of a, barrier. And then after that, then that becomes the standard. Something that, 20 years ago, only like 2 people in the world could do. Now every young kid on the street can do, because the standard changed. So whether we want it or not, when we are in that state, we are actually in the sharing and unity state. Because in the state of play, I'm not protecting myself. I'm not separating myself. So I am one with all that is in this world. And as a result, whatever I explore, whatever I experience, and however I expand, it will affect other existences around me. Because
Yep.
remember, my answer was, again, it's just my answer. If I'm part of this whole, as I expand, does the whole full expansion or existence also expand? Yes, it does,
Yep.
because I'm part of a whole. When I'm this much, I'm this much, and then when I expand, then the whole existence is expanding with me. So
Mm.
now the play becomes even more interesting, because now I'm playing and I'm enjoying and I'm expanding and I'm experiencing, and then other possibilities also around me become part of my experience. You were exploring the trees, I was exploring the river, and the kid was exploring the animals in nature. Now, between the three of us, now we have a full experience of the nature and so much to share with each other. And then that becomes the reason that we went to that place in the first place.